Pinya reactions video ceng ceprang nili isi big announcement la pesan ng pacini lang ilitum la previous video nili hala non headlang ni sengbe la bangso reactions video ke claim lang la bangso music video copyright tokok la sinili la bangso music video ke delete dang kok po la si nili delete pet posita mega kapre ka channel long baga nili upload ji non amat ke hala da ka channel long baga non mat ke monetize telang la si nili hada bang ke upload ji nili ka channel la mela bang ke da Karbi channel po ha la ta nili channel lo nang litum humbi da meg da ta subscribe ik ta la lo la pen isi announcements ke la pusan ha Daniel group nili hala screen long paklang ik po alang li litum previous video long comment ng pidun alang rin ng request dun alang li favorite song ta ha mirong kirong par alun pen lasi ala so video pusta menili react pon unedet po nang li anel ko nang lang dun ikprote nang li kapre ka video le sonlo nang request dun tu no athe hala dak video tame copyright claim dokok la puson jo lasi ilitum react pon no dak po hala dak copyright claim dokok lasi lalo pini lamar jan non banggalang pon iluna lasi ilitum nang litum aku kapre music video penceng lo ma kapre lamar jan tame ma nang litum favorite youtubers tuma video tame nang react claim nang prote ilitum nang litum comment nang pilon ili reaction video claim ipo thelam nang litum most important lage ha nang litum nang tuning ridun ikji prote nang litum link hang music video haladak description long damang pon ili screen long paklang pon description long damang po lapuson hadi haladak suppose sala song non helang kinisem kita son license to edinium lapuson hadi youtube by lapuson kedo prote lagi copyright claim dolo lapuson prote react pono dak po nasi lason ka very nang litum nang request non ini corrections video pan ke ready lo odang te non mai kelang pinia video reactions video le kelang angceng iguna lapen comment kipi bange ceng ni iguna. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the 9 episodes of our reactions video. Today we are going to react on a video of one of the most famous romantic video music video of Karbi. It's not a latest video, but few years back, like 4 or 5 years back, this video got very big hit. Yeah, obviously. So let's react on this famous romantic video today. Okay. Let's watch. Okay, guys, are we ready? Let's watch. Wow, red lipstick. I mean, it's not exactly red. It's orange. Great, so romantic. The music is about so romantic, right? Whoa. Seems like the actress is very cool because we all know with the costume it's gonna be very cold. I hope you correct my English. Napaka English eh. Tignan ke really English eh. Oh man. My desire. It's very big hit few years back. I'm going to react these days on the old music video of Karbi. Yeah, guys. Aban alun hedi. Aban nang kok lahen. Aban uy kali lang, but prang music video so that reactions video claim di pasti matha hai. Anyways, thanks for lovely response to all my viewers. I really appreciate you all. Ningklong parang curig lang nang tumhan. Kakeman good comments lapan ke nang nitum nang share pipot. Comment bang kay kita nang video ba mo. Location mi pick sudan ta. lon pic đi nó nghe là sẽ nó là hè là director bang kẻ wow na location này hả là bang so music video kali lo film long video là cái hả kumani nang litum nang lang dun ik lute kumen ang pizza ko na location bang no nili exact location chini tung to India long man ti mini he suppose Northeast India not ma Sikkim mate pu sono pu ha Himachal Pradesh not ma tung kumen ang pizza kumani daso film long team pen kumani nang lang dun prote exact location chini tung nili so romantic, right? Wow. Oh man. Some of the viewers, some of our viewers used to watch from abroad as well. So I used to speak. I'm trying to speak actually, trying to speak English. So I hope you guys understand. As an Asian guy, we have another mother tongue, right? So okay, hope you correct it if there is something mistake that I have said or whatever. Okay, wow. Wait. It's so opposite, right? They are in a cold place. I'm according to the dress code. I'm in a light in beach lighted. Well, okay. Yes, exactly. I this t-shirt I got from the beach from Bangsian Beach from Bangkok. Anyways, so opposite. Anyways, so romantic, right? Unpik là ton cái hang này video này đi con này thôi cái bang của English pi kìa love is endless, feeling is everything, man. Thế đi mà nè, không có hấp tiếng gì, đi mà nè, feelings được có cái son này, nhưng mà không phải techno. Acting is reacting, man, reactions. I mean, wow, bonfire. I just want to go in a cold place, you know. I haven't been before in a light cold place. I wish I have a girlfriend, man. Romantic video lang ate. Anyways, it's kind of entertaining, right? Really get inspired from all this, from our legendary actor, actress, yeah. So romantic, man. Candlelight dinner. Wow. Oh, man. Do forever. Dunang natin. Did you today? Malin. You look forever. Anyways, thanks for watching. To you all, my dear viewers and friends, thanks for supporting always, and I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you all. Torolo nang litumhan kay kemat nilining ng pathedon lapen lapuson sin the reactions video kremig bompo ilitum kaprek music video tame lalo ilitum react dunang laso se pachit hang nang ilitum arbijon lapuson chinghon bom chinghoy seralo nang. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching. Some of our friends from abroad used to watch our video, so I personally appreciate
to you all, my abroad friends. I mean abroad viewers. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I love you all. Okay, wait. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment about this music video. Did you still watch or not? Oh no, nang itum lang bomba lang bombe lang comment ang pigta. And anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I love you all guys. Bye bye.